After receiving the numerical control cutting machine, we attach the tracks to the legs of the horse or to a cutter that you make. Host, beam line, arc control line, arc signal, plasma connected arc voltage signal line, lifting body lifting fixture, lifting body fixing screw. Get these things ready. Then pick up the mainframe. The bearing screws under the main engine are aligned. Force. Just push it back and forth. Then put the beam. The transverse beam is aligned with the bearings inside. The optical axis of the track is aligned with the bearing inside. Then insert hard. Take out the lift. Install the lifting body. Use tools, inner hexagons or 2 screws. Hold it tight. Reinforce it to death. Penetrating beam. The penetration of a beam from one end of the orbit. If plasma is used, the plasma compartment can also penetrate through this place. For star plug for beam. Connected to the lifting body. Plug socket for inserting the lifting body.